Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Kaveri Science Tutorials. Today we are going to see acceleration due to gravity. Denoted by small g. So, suppose we are throwing a stone from the surface of earth in the upward direction. After some time, the stone stops here, means final velocity of the stone is 0. It starts with some initial velocity. U is the initial velocity. After some time, there is a change in velocity of the stone, and change in velocity in unit time is called as acceleration. So, due to acceleration is generated, the stones after some time it falls in the downward direction, and that acceleration due to applied force is created in that stone, in that object, and that the stone falls in the downward direction towards the center of the earth, and we know that earth attract the things towards its center, therefore the stone falls in the downward direction, and that acceleration due to which the stone falls is called as acceleration due to gravity. So acceleration is created due to the applied force. So Earth's gravitational force creates acceleration in the object, and there is change in speed and the velocity of the change in velocity, and due to the change in velocity, acceleration is created in the and the we can define acceleration due to gravity. The acceleration created due to the gravitational force is called as acceleration due to gravity. So gravitational force creates acceleration in the object, and that acceleration is called as acceleration due to gravity. Okay. So next is acceleration due to gravity. An apple is there and the apple falls in the downward direction. Due to change in velocity of the apple, it falls in means after some time it becomes 0, and then it comes down due to changing velocity, and that acceleration is created in the stone. Then why moon is revolving, orbiting around the earth? The question is asked in your textbook. Moon is orbiting the earth continuously, and why doesn't it fall on the earth surface like similar to the apple? So the reason is the moon is having uniform circular motion, means there is no change in the velocity of the stone, therefore acceleration is velocity of the moon, and therefore acceleration is not created into that moon, and it doesn't fall. It continuously, due to uniform velocity, uniform circular motion or uniform velocity, it continuously rotates around the earth. That is the reason that the मून डझंट फॉल ऑन द अर्थ. सो आता आपण एक ऑब्जेक्टला वरती फेकल्यानंतर ग्रॅव्हिटीमुळे, ऍक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रॅव्हिटीमुळे तो ऑब्जेक्ट खाली येतो, त्याच्या स्पीडमध्ये, व्हेलॉसिटीमध्ये चेंज होतो, अँड ड्यू टू दॅट चेंज इन व्हेलॉसिटी इज कॉल्ड ॲज ऍक्सेलरेशन. त्याच्यानंतर जर आपला स्टोन किंवा ऍपल जर डाऊनवर्ड डायरेक्शनला पडत असेल, तर मून सुद्धा अर्थ त्याच्यावरती ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्सेस अप्लाय करतो. मून का नाही पडत अर्थवरती? त्याचं रिझन आहे की मूनची व्हेलॉसिटी चेंज होत नाही, तो युनिफॉर्म व्हेलॉसिटीनी इक्वल डिस्टन्स मध्ये, इक्वल टाइम मध्ये इक्वल डिस्टन्स कव्हर करतोय, म्हणजेच त्याची व्हेलॉसिटी चेंज होत नाही, त्याच्यामुळं त्याच्यात ऍक्सेलरेशन जनरेट होत नाही आणि तो अर्थवरती पडत नाही. सो दॅट इज द एक्सप्लेन्ड इन द textbook. So we are going to see the next topic, that is acceleration due to, just we have seen the definition. The acceleration, the gravitational force creates acceleration in the object, and that acceleration is called as acceleration due to gravity. Now suppose one object is there and the mass of the object is small m, and then capital M is the we can say object mass. Object mass is equal to small m. Mass of earth is capital M, mass of earth, and small r is the distance between the earth and the object, center of distance between center of earth and object. Then we know that general force formula is F is equal to mg. So we can give it as the equation number 1. By Newton's universal law of gravitation. By Newton's universal law, we can write force between two objects is equal to G. Capital M is the force between Earth and the object. Therefore, the product of their mass is capital M and small m divided by distance square is small r square. So, this is the equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, we can write mg is equal to gmm upon r square. So get cancel, it remains same everywhere, means it is cancel same for the same object. Therefore, formula for G is gm upon r square. So this is the formula for calculation of capital G. Formula for the calculation of acceleration due to gravity. So this is the formula for the acceleration due to gravity. If suppose we can suppose now, if the object is on the surface of the earth, then the distance between the object and the earth is r is equal to radius of the earth, because suppose this is the surface of the earth and the object is here. Object is on the surface of the earth, and from the center the distance is equal to radius of the earth. So radius is equal to distance between object and the earth is radius of so the formula becomes r square, and then we can write the mg is equal to gmm upon r square. Get cancel, g is equal to gm upon r square. So acceleration due to gravity, we know the value of g 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 7. Mass of earth is 6 into 10 raised to 24 kilogram. If you can learn it, you have to learn the mass of earth. 6 into 10 raised to 24 kilogram, and r is the radius of the earth. It is 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter. So this is the, we can put this value in this formula, and we can calculate acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth is, it becomes something like the 9.77 meter per second. 9.77 meter per second square. So this is the SI unit for the acceleration due to gravity, which is on the surface of earth. G is equal to 9.77 meter per second square. So how the value of G changes according to its the place of the object. So आता हे जर ऑब्जेक्ट हा अर्थच्या सरफेस वरती असेल तर डिस्टन्स बिटवीन ऑब्जेक्ट आणि अर्थ हे त्याची रेडियस असेल, आणि जेव्हा आपण रेडियसची व्हॅल्यू इथं पुट करून आन्सर काढतो ते 9.77 ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ असेल. ठीक आहे. सो व्हॉट आर द फॅक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग ऑन द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ जी. Generally, the value of G is taken like the G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Now we will see first case for the change in the value of G. It changes along the surface of the earth. Change along the surface of earth. Change along the surface of the earth. Suppose this is the earth surface. So we know that earth is not exactly circular in shape. It is bulge at the equator. It is bulge at the equator, and when we calculate the value according to the formula, so radius of the earth and acceleration due to gravity are inversely proportional. So due to bulge surface of the earth on the equator, radius is somewhat greater at the equator as compared to poles. So the radius of earth is greater at equator, so the value of g at the equator decreases, that is it is 9.77 meter per second square, and the radius is along the pole is normal, means it is less than the equator, therefore value of g is 9.8 meter per second square. It is slightly changing due to the change in radius of the earth. So along the surface of the earth on the equator, value of g is 9.77 and it is 9.8 on the poles, because the radius of the earth changes due to the bulge surface of the bulge shape of the earth. So we have to write that earth shape of the earth is not exactly circular, it is bulge at the equator, therefore radius increases at the equator. So radius and acceleration due to the, gravity, they are inversely proportional according to the formula. So due to increase in radius, value of g decreases at the equator, and it is slightly increases due to the radius at the pole is slightly less than the equator, and it is changes is slightly greater, so the radius decreases, value of g increases at the pole, because they are inversely proportional. In this way, along the surface of the earth, value of g changes. So second case is changes along the height as we go, changes along the height of the height from the surface of the earth. So changes with the height. Value of g changes with height. So this is, suppose this is the surface of the earth, and the surface of the earth, radius of earth, and some aeroplane is going from a certain height from this surface of the earth. So this aeroplane is passing from a height of h. Suppose we have just seen that radius of earth is 6,400 kilometer. 6,400 kilometer. If you are going to convert it into meter, you have to multiply by 10 raised to 3. And if you are going here to point here, it becomes 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter. At that time you have to write meter, but it is kilometer, you have to write 6,400 kilometer radius of the earth. And if the height of the aeroplane is 10 kilometer from the surface of the earth, and we have discussed, so the distance between the object and the center of the earth becomes 6,410 kilometers. So we have to add r plus h. So according to the formula, g is equal to gm upon r plus h square. So the value in the denominator increases and the value of g decreases, because they are inversely proportional. And in this way, from the height of the at a height as we go above from the surface of the earth, or at a certain height, the value of g decreases due to the distance between the object and the center of earth increases. So they are inversely proportional. Due to increase in the distance, the value of g decreases. So third case is changes with the depth. Changes with the depth. Suppose this is the surface of earth and the object is here, somewhat here, and it is going towards the center of the earth. So object is going towards the center of the earth. Distance between the object and the center of the earth decreases. So we can think that the radius decreases. Therefore, according to the formula, the value of g also will increase. Value of g increase because the value of radius decreases, because the object is from certain height, certain place, it is going towards the center. So the value of r decreases, and therefore the g will increase. But it not happens like that. So the part of earth which is not contributed towards the acceleration due to gravity felt by the object is not considered. So this extra part of the earth is not considered, and the only the object is there, and that part of the earth which is contributes to the acceleration due to gravity felt by the earth is considered. Therefore, value of mass of the earth decreases. Mass of earth decreases and mass of earth decreases and they are directly proportional. Therefore, due to decrease in mass of the earth, value of G decreases as we go towards the depth of the earth. As we go towards the depth of the earth, center of the earth, value of G decreases because the part of the earth, extra part of the earth is not considered, and only the part of the earth which is contributes towards the acceleration due to gravity felt by the object is considered, and that therefore here we can write the distance between the object and the is not radius, it is less than, therefore small r can be done here. So the radius is not decreases, but value of G not increases because there is a decrease in value of mass. Mass decreases, so they are directly proportional. As the mass decreases, value of G will also decrease as we go towards the center of the earth or as we go towards the depth of the earth. So these are the three cases in which value of G decreases. फर्स्ट आहे अलॉंग द सरफेस. कसं आहे, पोलला आणि इक्वेटरला. इक्वेटरला बल्ज आहे, इक्वेटरला अर्थचा सरफेस हा बल्ज असल्यामुळं रेडियस इन्क्रीज होते. रेडियस आणि जी हे इन्व्हर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल आहे. रेडियस डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये फॉर्म्युलामध्ये आणि जी इकडे आहे, त्याच्यामुळे ते इन्व्हर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल असल्यामुळे रेडियस इन्क्रीज झाल्यामुळे जी ची व्हॅल्यू डिक्रीज होते. आणि पोलला नॉर्मल रेडियस आहे, नॉर्मल रेडियस असल्यामुळे जी ची व्हॅल्यू स्लाइटली इन्क्रीज आहे पोलला. इट इज 9.8 ऍट द पोल. आपण ज्यावेळेस कॅल्क्युलेशन करतो त्यावेळेस ही पोलची व्हॅल्यू 9.8 कन्सिडर केली जाते. त्यानंतर आहे की अलॉंग द हाईट. हाईटला आपण बघितलंय का, हाईट सरफेस पर्यंत आर रेडियस ऑफ द अर्थ डिस्टन्स आलं, तिथून हा हाईटला एच इतकं डिस्टन्सवर एरोप्लेन पास होतं, त्याच्यामध्ये ती हाईट त्याची ऍड करावी लागेल. मीन्स डिस्टन्स इन्क्रीज झाला, ऑब्जेक्टचं डिस्टन्स सेंटर पासून इन्क्रीज झाल्यामुळे जी ची व्हॅल्यू कमी होते. ऍट अ सर्टन हाईट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ जी डिक्रीजेस. सो अलॉंग द डेप्थ ऑफ द अर्थ, जो पार्ट अर्थचा त्याच्या ऍक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रॅव्हिटीला फील करायला कॉन्ट्रीब्युट करत नाही, तो पार्ट एक्स्ट्राचा कन्सिडर होत नाही. ओनली द पार्ट विच इज कॉन्ट्रीब्युटेड टुवर्ड्स द acceleration due to gravity felt by the earth is considered. Therefore, mass of the earth decreases as we go depth of the towards the depth of the earth, and the value of G also decreases. So, value of G कमी होत जाईल. So these are the three cases in which there is a changes in the value of G. So this is about the value of G, changes in the value of G.